Okay, Three Little Birds in A. That's down, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. 'Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Oh, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Yeah, so it's just that down. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Yeah, you can feel the rhythm there. It's just a slightly different strumming pattern. Ooh, your favourite. So,
Yeah, that's alright.
yeah. So I have to remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, look at all the lonely people. Ah, look at all the lonely people. made a load of mistakes on that, so she would do that again.
Okay.
All right?
Yep.
Yeah, look. Mine's
Funny, isn't it?
sore. Yeah.
Sometimes it's not, and then other times it's exciting.
But it's like everything. You got to keep playing. So I didn't play last week with the band and everything. So even in that short space of time, the fingers go soft. So
Yeah.
you know, it pays just to keep playing. If it's just one song a night or something like that. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at all the lonely people. Ah, look at all the lonely people. Eleanor Rigby picks up the rice from the church where the wedding has been. Lives in a dream, waits at the window, wearing a face that she keeps in a jar by the door. Who is it for? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? Father Mackenzie, writing the words of a sermon that no one will hear. No one comes near, look at him working, darning his socks in the night when there's nobody there. What does he care? All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? Ah, look at all the lonely people. Ah, look at all the lonely people. Eleanor Rigby died in a church and was buried along with her name. Nobody came. Elder Mackenzie wiping the dirt from his hands as he walks from the grave. No one was saved. All the lonely people. Where do they all come from? All the lonely people. Where do they all belong? Ah, look at all the lonely people. Ah, look at all the lonely people. Ah, look at all the lonely people. Excellent.
I think I lost
So
a
there's
bit in the middle.
You are.
I lost a little bit in the middle.
Yeah. But we've got it here, haven't you? So what you
Yeah.
can do is just play along with this, warts and all, and you can just improve on that, can't you? So 5'2", eyes of blue. Yes, that's she can't run like a dream, peaches and cream. So it's the same.
Similar, isn't it?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5'2", eyes of blue. Oh, what those 5 feet could do. Has anybody seen my girl? Turned up nose, turned down hose, floppy, yes sir, one of those. Has anybody seen my girl? Now if you run into 5'2", all covered with fur, diamond rings and all those things, bet your life it isn't her. But she could love, she could woo, could she coo? Has anybody seen my girl? Once again. Oh, 5'2", eyes of blue. Oh, what those 5 feet could do. Has anybody seen my girl? Turned up nose, turn down hose, flapper, yes sir, one of those. Has anybody seen my girl? Now if you run into 5'2", all covered with fur, diamond rings, all those things, bet your life it isn't her. But could she love, could she coo, could she coo? Has anybody seen my, anybody seen my, anybody seen my girl? Yeah. That's good, we'll go over that again if you like.
That's slowly becoming my favourite rather than that one.
Yeah, it's funny how it goes, isn't it?